Nnamdi Kanu now. Sit. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Let's go to beggar. Nnamdi Kanu now. Nnamdi Kanu now. Nnamdi Kanu now. Nnamdi Kanu.
Yes. Sushan, wait. Masha. Wait, let me get it. Where is this place? Where exactly? It's too high, it's too high, it's too high, it's too high.
I get live. We don't tackle just in front of NJ Secretariat. In front of NJ Secretariat. Can never be defeated. People united. 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 Can never be defeated. Small, don't rush. Small. Can never be defeated.
He's too high. He's too high. He's too high.
Slow down. Yes. Hold on. Hold on, right? Stop.
Now. We need to do it now.
Tripod. Excuse me.
Excuse
me.
I'm just taking you straight. Please. We are determined today to see that Nnamdi Kanu is free. And we started as early as 7 a.m. But it is customary with our security forces. They attacked us unprovoked. And we decided that we will relocate to other parts of the city. And we are in Utako, and we will go around the city today until the city is shut down. Instead of using the soldiers and our police to fight terrorism, at Sabisa, in Zamfara, Katsina, in Benue, in Plateau, and other places, they are using them on defenseless protesters. Please, you are aware that we close today as Nnamdi Kanu now rally. But we also tell Nigerians that today is one of the darkest days in the history of Nigeria. NSAS protest 2020 is 5 years today. So we are going to take a minute silence to recognize the heroes who were killed at the Lekki tollgate for NSAS. Can you take a minute silence?
Can we pull back? Silence, please. Can we pull back? Let's have more.
May their souls continue to pursue their oppressors. It is not a tribal issue. It is not a religious issue. It is not a sentimental issue. It is a social justice issue for us. We are not here as Igbos, Yorubas, or Hausas. In fact, if you look around very well, a lot of Igbos, a lot of Hausas, and Yorubas. All united to ensure that our brother is brought back home. That is to end the sham trial that is going on at the Federal High Court. If they don't do that, they will get more. And they know that a lot of Nigerians are sitting with them. It's not about Nnamdi Kanu alone. There's hunger, there's starvation in this country. There's political oppression. There's a lot of corruption going on under the Tinubu. So very soon, this crowd is soon that is bigger than that of Nepal. Let the people be moving. Free Nnamdi Kanu now! Free Nnamdi Kanu now! Free Nnamdi Kanu now! Free Nnamdi.
Tension flared in Abuja today as the Free Nnamdi Kanu now protest turned chaotic. An event that once again puts Nigeria democracy and respect for fundamental rights under the spotlight. According to a post by human rights activist Sowore on his official Twitter handle, Nnamdi Kanu's brother and the lawyer were reportedly arrested, sparking outrage among supporters and observers. What was meant to be a peaceful demonstration calling for the release of the detained IPOB leader soon descended into confrontation as security forces allegedly attacked and tear-gassed protesters. Now, this incident underscores a growing concern about the state of rule of law and the shrinking space for free expression in Nigeria. The right to peaceful assembly is enshrined in both Nigerian Constitution and International Human Rights Convention. Yet, time and again, we witness citizens being met with, force for, exercising their own rights. The involvement of the both police and army in suppressing a civil protest raises questions about the government's tolerance for dissent and the increasing militarization of civic space. Arresting a lawyer and a family member of a detained, leader further complicates the narrative. It paints a troubling picture of how the state is willing to go to silence voices, demanding justice and accountability. In a society governed by the rule of law, justice should, be sought through the dialogue, not through intimidation or suppression. And this is very troubling. Many of whom were only demanding the unconditional release of the detained IPOB leader. This heavy-handed crackdown exposes a troubling double standard in Nigeria's security approach. While armed terrorists and bandits have been, seen negotiating openly with the government officials in broad daylight, sometimes even escorted by the same security agencies, peaceful protesters are being dragged away for simply raising their voices. The same forces that stand down when dealing with those who hold weapons seem to, find courage only when confronting unarmed citizens. This glaring contrast, raises a haunting question. Is the state more afraid of peaceful truth than armed terror? It highlights the inconsistent, application of power and justice, and deepens the perception that Nnamdi Kanu's prolonged detention may have less to do with law and more to do with politics. This incident is more than just another protest gone wrong. It is a mirror reflecting the fragile state of Nigeria's democracy. When those who speak are silenced, and those who destroy are indulged. The soul of a nation begins to wither. The arrest of Nnamdi Kanu's brother and lawyer symbolizes the growing intolerance toward dissent, even as true threats to peace are handled with negotiation and appeasement. Every tear gas canister fired at protesters is a stain on the promise of justice and equality that Nigeria's constitution was built on. And while the government may silence voices for a day, it cannot silence the truth forever. The call for justice, fairness, and the freedom will continue to echo louder each time it is suppressed. Continue to watch Able Perspectives for balanced reporting, in-depth analysis, and fearless coverage on this unfolding story, as we will keep tracking the pursuit of truth, justice, and long road toward freedom in Nigeria. Please share, like the video, and don't forget to smash the subscription button for more updates. Thank you for watching.